My wife and I took a trip to Parry Sound today. Come and join us on this episode. Our first stop was at the Trestle Brewing Company for some lunch. We love this place. The food here is good. The scenery is just wonderful. They have a nice fireplace and patio on the lower deck. I had a Reuben sandwich and french fries, and my wife had a pulled pork sandwich and french fries. I also had a beady covenant. Next, we took a walk down by the waterfront harbor. It was such a nice day. The video sounds a little windier than I thought it was, so I do apologize for the audio. We take our social distancing practices very seriously here. Thank you for joining us for lunch today at the Trestle Brewing Company. Check them out if you're ever in the Parry Sound area. Thanks for watching Living the Northern Life. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website. Remember to click subscribe, click that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up for the videos you like.